We've had such an amazing few days doing things that seem so simple and yet have been really profound.
We believe everyone has an innate relationship with nature. Our programs help people unlock this, to find inspiration for creating a more sustainable, regenerative world.
Being here made me realise there are still things that I could do to change my daily life and change mindsets in the people around me.
What if we put nature at the centre? How might that change us and the work we do? Come outside with us. Let nature lead the way.